Gentlemen, this historic signature signals a symbol of trust between us. And what's going on? Reinhard, what's the matter?
Sorry to disturb, sir, but there's a bomb.
A bomb.
A bomb?
A bomb! Get out of here! Now! Get out!
And you solve this.
Get out! Get out! Hurry up!
Max, you hear that?
Oscar!
Take it.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Carefully. The wire. Pull it out.
That's your suggestion?
I'm not a bomb expert.
No. Clearly.
Max, where are you going?
There's no time!
Max?
This is so embarrassing.
Indeed. Oh, I really do apologize.